6 ways to get rid of deodorant stains on your clothes. Sweat and deodorant stains can end up ruining your clothes. However, throwing them out isn't the answer. To get rid of deodorant stains and bad odors, all it takes is a bit of time and a few 100 natural tricks. Let's take a look at some of them. 1. White vinegar with hot water. The acids in the vinegar will help get rid of deodorant stains in the underarm area of your clothes. Plus, it also leaves your clothes soft and clean. It's the perfect wash. Ingredients: 1/2 cup of white vinegar, 125 milliliters. 1 gallon water, 4 liters. What should I do? First, pour the vinegar into the water, cover, and keep in a place that won't get any sun. Once you're ready to wash your clothes, add a bit of the mixture to a plastic bowl and soak the stained item of clothing. Soak for a few hours and then wash like normal. You can also use vinegar in place of the stain remover you use in the washer. Plus, with this trick you won't just be getting rid of bad odors, but also helping keep your colors bright. We recommend reading 5 Natural Tips to Whiten Your Clothes. 2. Baking soda to get rid of deodorant stains. It seems like we're discovering new, amazing uses for baking soda every day. No home should be without it. This time we'll use it to remove deodorant residue. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of water, 10 milliliters. 3 tablespoons of baking soda, 30 grams. What do I do? Mix the water and baking soda together. Apply it directly to the stain. Gently rub it into the fabric, and let sit for a few minutes. Wash like normal. This simple stain removing trick is only advisable for light colored or white clothing, as it could make dark colors fade. Read this article too: 5 Natural Baking Soda Remedies You Need to Know. 3. Hydrogen peroxide. Just like baking soda, hydrogen peroxide can do so much for you around the house. In addition to being a natural disinfectant, this chemical compound fixes stains and whitens clothing. Just make the mixture below and watch it work. Ingredients: 3 tablespoons of 5-hydrogen peroxide, 30 milliliters. 4 cups of water, 1 liter. What do I do? Add the ingredients to a tub or bowl, mix, and then submerge the clothing you want to clean. If you have a lot, just use the ratio of 3 tablespoons of hydrogen peroxide per liter of water. Let it soak for a few hours and then rinse with warm water. 4. Meat tenderizer powder. Besides using it on meat, believe it or not, meat tenderizer can also be used to remove deodorant stains on clothing. Follow these instructions carefully and you'll see. Ingredients: 3 tablespoons of meat tenderizer powder, 30 grams. 3 tablespoons of water, 30 milliliters. What do I do? First, mix the powder into the water until well mixed. Then, pour it onto the stain and rub it in for a few minutes. Let it sit for at least half a day. Wash like normal. 5 lemon juice. Lemons are one of the best options out there when it comes to naturally removing stains. Because it lightens fabrics, lemons will help you remove tough stains. Take advantage of this wonder fruit by following these simple steps. Cut a lemon in half. Rub the lemon onto the underarm area of your clothing. While you're at it, rub it onto other areas that often get stained too, like the collar or ends of the sleeves. Hang it in the sun for at least 3 hours. Rinse with warm water and wash like normal. Sunlight enhances the lemon's stain-removing power, thus the importance of hanging your treated item of clothing in the sun. 6 salt and vinegar. We already mentioned how good vinegar is for removing stains, but combined with salt it's even better. Ingredients: 3/4 cup of salt, 150 grams. 1 cup of vinegar, 200 milliliters. 1 cup of hot water, 200 milliliters. 1/2 tablespoon of dishwashing liquid, 10 grams. What do I do? First mix the salt, vinegar, and hot water together. Next add the dishwashing liquid. Add the clothes to the mixture and soak for 3 hours. Rinse with cold water and then wash like normal. Now, make sure to not wait too long to use any of these stain-removing techniques. The longer the stain is there, the harder it will be to get rid of it. The best way to prevent these stains is by switching to a natural deodorant.